Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use voice access on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, just tap on interaction and dexterity. Now just tap on voice access. From here, just enable this toggle and tap on allow. Now just tap on agree. Now from here, just tap on allow and tap on done. Now from here, just scroll down and select listen for commands whenever my screen is on. Then tap on continue. And from here, just tap on while using the app. Now just tap on continue and tap on allow. Now just tap on finish. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen. Now just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the notifications panel. Now to enable voice access, just tap on voice access. Open YouTube. Go to home screen. Open settings. Go back. Go to the home screen. Swipe to the left. Swipe to the right. And this is how you can use voice access on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.